In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to next page in Gmail Inbox. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can confidently move through your messages when you have more than one screen of emails. This walkthrough is for the Gmail website on a desktop or laptop. If you're on mobile, the layout is different, but the idea is the same. You'll use the navigation controls to move between pages. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. If you're not already signed in, enter your account details and wait for your inbox to load. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar Gmail layout with your message list in the middle, a search bar at the top, and your folders and labels along the left side. Next, make sure you're actually looking at your inbox. In the left sidebar, click Inbox to load your primary list of messages. This is helpful if you were previously inside a different label or a category like Sent, Drafts, or Spam. Clicking Inbox ensures the page controls will navigate your main inbox messages and not a different section. Now look toward the top right area of your message list. This is where Gmail places the page navigation controls. You'll see a small toolbar above the emails that includes things like the refresh icon and, a little to the right, a counter that reads something like 150 of 341. To the left and right of that counter are two arrow buttons. These are your page controls. The left pointing arrow moves you to the previous page of messages, and the right pointing arrow moves you to the next page. To go to the next page in your Gmail inbox, click the right arrow icon. Gmail will quickly load the following set of messages, and you'll notice the counter update, for example, from 150 to 51 to 100. If you need to go back, click the left arrow. If an arrow is grayed out, that simply means there isn't another page available in that direction. Either you're already on the first page or you've reached the last page for that view. A couple of quick pointers to make this smoother. These same arrows appear when you're inside other labels or even viewing search results, so you can page forward and backward there too. If you have a lot of emails, you may notice a brief loading spinner after you click. That's normal. And if your screen is zoomed out and the icons feel small, try zooming in slightly so those controls are easier to spot. That's all there is to it. Go to Gmail, open your inbox, find the page controls at the top right, and click the right arrow to move to the next page. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.